Hello, welcome back to this channel and welcome back to this video. In this video we are going to look at sample response to the sample items of ICT Senior 6, item 2 specifically. And remember we had said in item 1, we said for the part 1 you have to choose one item. There are 2 items, you have to choose one. And these items normally comes from the construct 2 of ICT systems, operations and maintenance. Then topics to be assessed here are introduction to ICTs, then computer hardware and computer software. Okay, we answered item 1, and so if you missed up, you can check in the previous video and you see how we handled it. And in this video, let us go and handle item 2. And specifically, we see how you can also answer this question and you generate some relevant points and you earn some marks. Okay, let's go to item 2 and see what it requires. Right, item 2 is saying that Kasawi Community School received a consignment of 6 desktop computers. Then it also received 10 laptops, 2 laserjet printers, and academic materials packaged on CD-ROMs. Days later, the donor organization contracted a team of youth to set up a resource room where digital devices and packaged academic materials can be accessed and also digital lessons conducted. As the team came to the end of the exercise, they were disrupted by certain power cutoff, causing them to stop work before planned time. And following the two computers desktop computer failed to complete the boot cycle when powered on. And on the one laptops couldn't display academic content on the CD-ROM. When the teacher tried to connect the printer to the desktop computer, the printer did not respond after printing. On hearing such complaints, the head teacher now feared that the student might also damage the ICTs that are operating perfectly because they are not formally trained on how to use the ICTs and manage the ICTs. You have been identified as one of the knowledgeable ICT learner. Okay? And the head teacher has asked you to draw a draft proposal to address the issues of the resource center. Task: prepare a step-by-step guideline which can help or which can be taken to address the technical issues reported on the ICTs that were set up in the resource room, the best practices of ensuring long life best performance of all ICTs, and recommend the other ICTs that they need to pursue to improve the resource room services. Okay, so specifically this is now our item 2, and you can see that a student who studied very well ICT systems operation, and maintenance, and a student who understood the topics of introduction to ICTs, computer hardware and computer software can answer this question. Okay, let's cross over and see sample responses that we have generated so that we can see how we can handle it. Okay, this is now, to begin with, a draft proposal for improving resource center at Kasawi Community School. Then we have our introduction. We are starting an introduction by saying ICT equipment is important in supporting modern teaching and learning. Kasawi Community School recently received desktop computers, laptops and printers, and academic materials to support digital learning. However, several technical problems were reported after the installation of the resource room. This document provides guidelines for solving technical issues, best practices for maintaining ICT equipment, and the recommendation on additional ICT resources for the resource center. So, step-by-step guidelines for addressing the technical issues first. Okay, here you are addressing now the technical issues that were reported. You start by bringing out a step-by-step because that's what the question requires. one of the issue was desktop computers failed to complete the boot cycle. Then, what are the possible causes? Power interruption, okay, and maybe corrupted operating system, then loose hardware connections. And now, what could be the solution? Okay, what could be the solution? You check all power cables and connections, okay, you restart computers properly, you open the system unit and ensure that the RAM, hard drive are firmly connected. Use startup repair tools, okay. If at all fails, reinstall operating systems if necessary, okay. Now, a student answering this question, I would like also maybe also say reinstall operating system. For example, if you are from Windows 10, maybe put Windows 11, okay. And if you are saying ensure RAM and hard drives are very well connected, maybe okay, tell us the best way, okay, to do that one. Then another technical issue was laptop failing to display the CD-ROM content. Okay, this is the technical challenge. So a student that have been studying ICT must also have faced this challenge, and he must know how to solve it. What could be the possible cause of this challenge? Faulty CD-ROM drives. Okay, if the CD-ROM drive is very faulty, that means it won't display the content. The computer won't display the content on the CD. Then the damaged CD itself, okay, all missing media software. You can have the laptop but it doesn't have the software to read, okay, from the CD. So what could be the solution? You test the CD-ROM on another computer, okay, clean the CD very well carefully, install a media player. Here you want to see a student who studied ICT to bring that media player that exactly that can be installed. Feel free to mention that you can install VLC, okay. Use external CD and DVD drives. If the internal drive is faulty, I would like to see that student who thinks that he can have an alternative external CD drives, okay. Another technical challenge is printer failing to respond, okay. What could be the possible causes? Loose cable connection, missing printer drivers, or printer not powered on. So a student that has been studying ICT and has been trying to use the printer must have faced these problems and will be able to address them here. Okay. So what could be the solution? You check the USB cable of the printer connection, where it is connected very well. Ensure that the printer is switched on. Install the correct printer drivers. Yes, the printer might, because the printer failed to respond, it might have drivers, but they are not, the computer may be having drivers, but they are not for that appropriate printer. So the student would now advise you to go and bring out the right driver for that printer, okay. The setup of the printer, okay, set it as a default printer and restart the printer and the computer, okay. I would like to see a student who can very well now solve those possible technical challenges, okay. And now a student goes ahead now to give the best practices for ensuring a long life and good performance of these ICTs, okay. 1, regular maintenance, okay. Computers and printers should be cleaned regularly to remove dust, okay. A second one, proper shutdown procedures. Users should avoid abrupt switching on of computers. For example, a student should have also used the computer maybe and must have learned the right procedure of shutting down the computer, not coming from nowhere and you hit the power button until the computer lights are off and everything, the monitor is off. That is abrupt switching off of computer, and it can lead to the crash of the softwares. So you have to, the student must show that one, okay. Use of UPS devices, use of uninterruptible power supply devices. So there is no power, sudden loss at the resource center, okay. Then antivirus installation, okay. here you have to use the licensed antivirus software should be installed and updated regularly. Okay, a student should now at least give out some examples of those antivirus softwares. Once a student that has been at least studying these ICT concepts brings them and uses the ICT language to address them. Okay, then user training. A student must know, because it was highlighted in the question that students were not trained, students and staff were not trained at least to handle those equipments. So now we have to also tell them that please, you have to do user training for students and teachers, and you train them in proper handling of the equipment, basic troubleshooting, and safe internet use. Okay. Another one should be restrict unauthorized access. Okay. This one, a student should be able to tell you that please put passwords, and should prevent now people that are going to come in to the system, to the room, to access the computers. Okay, and make sure there is a proper maintenance of who comes in and who moves out of that room. Okay, then also proper ventilation. Okay, ICT equipment should be kept in a cool and dry ventilated room. Then regular software updates. How often do they update the softwares? Okay, the operating systems, the applications should be updated. Remember, you are drafting out this proposal so that it can help solve and make sure there is solve the challenges and make sure there is a long run, okay, successful use of the room. So now you also have to advise on the ICTs purchase so that they can maybe be used at the resource center. Okay, so here what are the ICT supposed to be purchased? ICT supposed to be purchased, for example, for the internet connection. Okay, make sure advise now that the internet connection should be installed for online research and digital learning. And I would say students giving preferably internet connection that can be used, maybe MTN Wakanet, Airtel router. Okay, at least I have to at least see that this student knows the challenge and knows how to solve it. Okay, projectors, for what? Projectors should be purchased maybe to support a digital learning classroom presentation. Okay, because in the ICTs that were brought at the school, projectors were not mentioned. So a student who read the question very well must understand and bring out as a solution here. Okay, then uninterruptible power supply devices, okay, should be installed to protect the computers from power interruptions. Okay, networking equipment here for the internet connection, the routers, switches, wireless, point access should be installed for connectivity. That one we talked about it. Then the backup storage devices. Okay, I would like to see students bring out external hard drives and even specify the capacity of the hard drive. Okay, give examples for cloud storage. Advise maybe they should use the Google Drive. Okay, to purchase Google Drive space so that at least they can possible cloud storage facilities, and at least you have backing up for academic materials. And advise also here now they should also they should buy CCTV cameras because they are not included in the question. Okay, in the items that were brought at the center. Okay, so security cameras should also be installed to protect the equipment. Then also interactive smart boards. This is for students maybe who have also seen it somewhere, okay, and have used it. But don't worry, just mention as much as possible as you can, because this you bringing out the ICT from you, bring that ICT concepts and skills out of you. Okay, then you give out now in conclusion. So that in conclusion, for proper maintenance, user training, procurement of additional resources will improve efficiency, support digital learning, and ensure long-term performance of the resource center. Okay, so literally that is how you can answer item 2. Okay, and so far we have covered item 1, item 2. If you didn't see item 1, it is in the previous video. You can go and check it.